to try to bring her back to life. As you can see, we got some stuff we're gonna be working on. Which the Rennie, she's up and running. Now it's time to believe all she needs is a battery to get her started. I haven't started her up in months and months. So we're gonna see what we can do over here. So I'll go ahead and work on this real quick. Got a ton of work to do to actually get her where I want her to be, but that's gonna be the end of the year. I just want to get her running for this year and see what we can do with her. All right, we'll be right back. Ooh, shake back, baby. Ooh, shake back. Shake back, Howdy. Shake back, Howdy. This baby ain't been started up in months. Uh-oh, I see wasps. Probably got a wasp nest in there somewhere. Oh, and we do. Okay, yeah, we keeping that in the video. But yeah, we got a wasp nest somewhere. Oh boy, we got a wasp nest somewhere. I'm gonna move it. I'm gonna move it up there close to the house. Oh yeah, look at that. You see it? Oh yeah. Big fire. Ooh. Ooh, I see 3 of them. That heat making them come out now. I tell you what, guys, we will be back. I'm gonna let them come on up out of there, let the heat get them up out of there. Uh-oh, there's more than 3. That's 4. Yeah, that one got real close to me. Yeah, there's another one somewhere. Ooh. Oh, they mad. All right, guys. We'll try to handle this problem real quick, so we'll be back. All right, I moved there a little bit closer to the house now, avoiding wasps and all that. So, getting ready to grease these up and slide it back in. Been having these level 2 upgraded intercups. I actually had these axles in the house. We took those out and put these boots in because I knew it was gonna be a while before I get anything, before I got a diff. But oh, that's a wasp nest in there. But man, this thing's huge just to have a 6-inch lift on it in these 36s. But I'm finna get to work. And like I said before, best diff on the market. Yes, best diff on the market. All right. I'll let Sean Faust for it. Boom. Specialized ATV. Specialized ATV. Holler at him. This is my second one. I got one on the Renegade, and I wouldn't just spend this type of money on no junk. And I wouldn't pay for 2 if they were junk. When I tell you, I've been giving the one in the Renegade hell. I mean, like, I've gave it hell, and it lasted. I'm telling you. That's when matter of fact, I had these 36s on there. And man, you talking about giving it hell? Yeah, it holds up. I promise you. 8-inch lift on the Renegade. 8-inch cat boss. This thing right here is a beast. So I'm gonna put it in here. I got some plans for it at the end of the year anyway. So I'm gonna need something like this for the plans I got for it. We're gonna really be testing it out come next year. You guys will see, but you got to stay tuned for it. I promise you, you are not gonna want to miss this. This baby is gonna look totally. She's gonna be totally different. But anyway, let me go ahead and get to work. I might shoot a couple videos while I'm working on it. But I'm gonna go ahead and get this and get it up and rolling. Gotta go to work tomorrow, but hey, oh well. I'm so anxious to getting this started. All right, we'll holler at y'all.
Shall we begin? Let's begin.
The Audi still got it. Yeah, I know I taught this bike this.
This is not a drill.
It looks like she still got it.
This is not a drill.
You know, I had to put my feet over here. Ooh, look at that big old spider. Time to go.
Is that all you got?
Let's begin.
Water here. Let's come up to the front a little bit. Oh, I'm trying not to get my feet wet. Old baby still got it a little bit on. Now. Digging now, baby. Yeah, I'll say so. Well, everyone, had that one for about 3 to 4 years. I just took the gears out and rebuilt it earlier this year, as a matter of fact. Or was it last year? The end of last year. Either way, these things are beasts. And at that time, I had the 36s on there. Let me cut this one off. These HMFs can talk. But yep. Oh yeah, that is a spray bottle, of course. I don't have it hooked up, but I might bring it whenever I do what I'm gonna do to it. But anyway, I got the old girls back up and running, and it's about that time to reclaim my title. But anyway, the reason why I bought that Billet diff is because this one was such a beast, and it held up to those 36s. And I'm talking about, I gave it hell every ride. And that's when I used to ride heavy. I gave it hell every ride, and it held up. I'm talking about, man. But anyway, back up so y'all can get a good picture. But anyway, yeah, about right there. Yeah, about right there. But anyway, I got a couple of odds and ends, things I need to do to both of them, of course. But as far as right now, I could go ride them, but I want to make sure, you know, everything is legit and we're ready to ride for this year, because next year both of them are going to have a completely different look. Completely different. Man, the damn Audi is huge. When I got on it, man, I can tell the difference between the height. And that's actually a 6-inch lift. When I had the 36s on the Renegade, that's an 8-inch cat boss. That's a 6-inch C-Fab. But when I had the 36s on the Renegade and the 32s on the Outlander, it was still just about as tall. Man, this damn Audi is humongous. But that's what side-by-side shocks do to it. Those are Maverick shocks that's on it. And they're nowhere near turned up all the way. But I can't turn them up all the way, especially in the front. But I took it for a ride all around. I'm gonna keep riding it for a little bit, you know, make sure everything's good. I haven't put my hubcaps back on, as you can see. I was just so excited. But it took me longer than I expected. It actually took a day and a half, simply because I couldn't get the it was a wheel bearing that was stuck on there. As a matter of fact, a wheel bearing, part of the wheel bearing anyway, and it was stuck on there. So I didn't have the right equipment to take it off with. So I took it to work with me. I work at a steel mill. My buddy Chad Jones, he looked out for me and got me a little piece of. Matter of fact, I'll show you. Hold on 1 second. Here it is right here. Piece of flat plate, and he torched it off with a plasma torch. See, hold on, focus. Yeah, got it in a little sharp end and a screw. Well, a bolt. I'm sorry. And oh man, that worked like a charm. All we did, put it right there. Boom, knocked it right off. So shout out to Chad. We got it done after work, and we got all that taken care of, and that was really the hard part. That was the main thing, getting that part taken care of. So we got that off, and it was pretty much smooth sailing from there, getting the bolts and stuff in there, bolted right up. Here's the Audi from the back. Oh man, just wait. Sean, we're gonna come next year, we're gonna really test this diff. My big plans come into motion. Oh yeah, those are gonna be very small compared to what I'm getting. Anyway, we're not gonna give y'all too much information about that. I'm not trying to make this video long, but We got it taken care of though, and wasn't just hard work, of course, but it was it took a little longer than I expected simply because of that little situation. But like I said, we got odds and ends to do. I might change up the color scheme on it. Y'all help me out on color. What color should I paint these things? I got an idea, but leave a comment in the comment section below and let me know what you think, because these things definitely have to get painted, and I'm getting the shed, and they're gonna be out of the weather, so the weather won't ruin them. Well, ruin what's left. But anyway, like I said, we're not gonna make this video long. We're just finishing up, doing the finishing touches. So we'll be back with some more riding on both of them. My wife probably gonna get on this one. Damn, this thing is huge, and it rides a whole lot smoother. The Maverick shocks make a big difference compared to these Commander springs that's on this one. These are Commander springs, and they really don't ride too smooth. It don't ride smooth. I'd say that it does not. It does not. Which I don't have power steering on neither one of them, but damn, this thing rides. Anyway, like I said, we're not gonna make it too long. Thank y'all for watching, and there's gonna be way more videos to come. We're back on our feet, and it's about time to start going to a few rides here and there. Just, you know, for the end of the year, give y'all some content for the rides and everything. Oh yeah, shout out to Turner. Level 2 upgraded inner cups on the back, of course. That's gonna have to change, especially on this one. But man, they are fantastic. I haven't had a problem out of them yet. Which, out in the weather, I'm probably gonna get the boots replaced. But that's about it. Only because it's out in the weather. But anyway, like I said, I'm not gonna make it too long. Shout out to Sean for the best diff. Go holler at him. These things are beast. And I'm not gonna say impossible to break, but shit. These things are some beast and will hold up a lot better than any others on the market. I haven't ran the Maverick diff, of course, but shit, these things right here, man, I have zero complaints about them. Zero complaints. So we're gonna test them out some more, and more video to come. Damn, this is 8 minutes. All right, man, we're gone. I'll holler at y'all.